Er, alright guys, ito, i-unbox na natin ang Freestyle Libre. This is the reader na bago, Libre 2. Yun, so buksan natin. Ayan, so yung ano meron sa kanya. That's the quick start guide. Ayan, hindi ko alam kung ano yan. Oh, okay, so this is the new one. Kulay blue siya. The old one is black. Yan. I don't know kung bakit nila binago. And nung tinanong ko, hindi pa rin siya yung pwede sa phone. So I'm not sure kung ano yung difference nito. Anyway, so ano pa naman niya? So mga guides and other stuff. Okay. Mostly documentation. The charger. Okay. Ayan. So nothing fancy. The old one, ganito din halos ang laman niya. So wala talaga kaiba. Iba lang talaga yung itsura nitong mismong reader. Yeah, that's the reader. Okay? Looks pretty much the same actually. Wala halos pinagkaiba din sa luma. So, ayun. Yan, so here's a comparison between the old reader and the new reader. It looks, it looks exactly the same. No? Parang pareho lang. Ang sulat lang, abot. That's about it. So, I'll turn it on for the first time. Tingnan natin. Okay. English. The date is March 6. Okay. Times 1:21 a.m. Nope, that's not correct. It's 12:26. So, ayusin natin. Gawin natin 12. Nope. Oh, crap. 12. Gawin natin. Mahirap pala to, guys. Mahirap nag-video at the same time nag-ano. Okay. Next. Pressing quickly. Yada. Okay. Okay. It looks pretty much the same. Wala akong nakikita na pinagkaiba. Alright. Anyway, at least the battery is already there. So, I'll try out the actual sensor pala. This is the reader. Okay. Yan. So, ito yung Freestyle Libre 2 Plus sensor. Tinanggal ko na yung ano niya. Para madaling buksan. So, looking at the package, it looks exactly the same. Okay? Looks exactly the same as the old one. So, we have... Okay. So, ito yung pang stapler sa'yo. I've always called this parang stapler. Stapler ang dating niya. Okay? So, nandito yung mismong needle na may sensor. So, mangyayari, ididikit ito dito. So, kukunin dyan yung parang needle niya. Okay? Yung needle, hindi ko alam kung ano siya, I don't think it's wala na pala. That's it, pansit. Okay. So, the needle is very thin, no? So, hindi siya talaga, hindi siya bakal. So, siya, malambot siya actually. So, yan, ikakabit ko lang hindi ko makakabit to ng nung naka-video. So, pakita ko na po nakakabit na rin. Ayan, so nakakabit na siya. Nakakabit ko na siya. So, when you pull it, actually makikita nyo dyan, may needle, ayun, no? Yan. That's the needle. Okay? So, yung needle na yung galing dito. So, yun. So, nakakabit ko na siya. Okay? So, set up lang natin, ha? This is going to be a little tricky. Para na Ayan. Ayan. So, nalagay siya dito. So, this. Okay. Normally, may gauze to. Actually, ito, dapat may kasama siyang may kasama siyang parang gauze para may alcohol and all that. Although, I just took a bath, so I'm clean naman. Okay? So, ayan. So, dito siya. So, hanapin yung medyo fleshy part. Okay, fleshy part. And then, just do a quick inhale, sabay, pindot. Ayun, in-stapler ko na sarili ko. Okay? So, there. Then, the next step is this. Okay? Pindutin mo, start yung sensor. And then, yun. So, makita niyo, wait 60 minutes. Okay? So, basically, it's just calibrating. And then, tingnan natin kung ano yung initial na ano ko mamaya. Alright?